Right, hello again, I'm going to do another video, so just to see what the signal's like and everything on this, so let's take it up in the air and try it out. So.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Down's over because they take it more places than just work and flying at home then. Make it a bit more interesting. Let's go up to max altitude. A bit foggy out there today, but I can still see it, so. Try that altitude first. Let's go. So as you can see, it's a bit foggy at the moment. It's going about 16 miles per hour. I think its top speed's at about 22 miles per hour in normal mode, or at 25. Let's go a bit higher. Signal's still doing really good at the moment. It's going to be a bit clear over there now. This compass seems to be working a lot better now anyway. It was really bad in the last update, but since we've updated it, it seems to be doing really well. Signal's still brilliant as well. Last time I did one of these, the signal started to drop a little bit by here. So that looks like it seems to have been sorted out. Let's go up a bit more. Yeah, so once lockdown's over, I want to start going flying around the castles and that bit better content. Oh, it's dropped down by 1 bar now. Let's go back up there. Let's take it up even more.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Max altitude now. There we go, signal's starting to drop now. Let's have a look around here. As soon as there we go.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Starting to get the weak signal. Let's see if I can make it to them hills. Must be too much interference around here. I still just about see it in the distance. Here we go. Has anyone tried them extenders for the signal to see if they're any good or not? Because I might try and get them if they're any good luck. There you go. Just push it as far as I can.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Let's keep pushing it. There we go, signal lost. Give it a second.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Nah, it's not going to go any further than that from this angle. Let's turn it round. return to home. See if we can see it moving.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Still nothing at the minute.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's having none of it at the minute.
Maximum
finally found
flight
it.
altitude reached.
It's a good little feature, this auto return to home. At least then you're unlikely to lose your drone. It's coming in at 23 miles per hour. There we go, we've got signal back now. I have to remember to turn off my signal next time and put it in airplane mode so I don't get notifications come up. Might do that now actually. There we go, back again. I'll just turn the Wi-Fi off so I can stay a bit longer so I don't get notifications through. Well, it's back now, so let's try. Where should we go now? Right above the fog. There we go, let's go that way. Just put in sports mode though, see how far I can get on that. Go. Picks up some speed quite quickly, this does. Just losing the signal quick again. What I'll do is I'll upload the actual full 4K video as a separate video. Just have this one as its own video. Goes doing his return to home thing, but it hasn't done it yet.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
It's going to let me carry on. No, it is, let me carry on. See how far I can get it. Going quite far going this way, to be fair. get a bit of signal if I turn it. There we go, got a bit more signal that way.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
No. I think it's time for it to return home.
Go home.
And now I can see it, I might as well just fly it back this way because it'll be quicker. And you ain't got that annoying beep annoying you while you're watching this video. See how long it takes to get back.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight altitude reached.
Yeah, still going up videos. Even though I've put in airplane mode. Sorry about that. I'm still new to all this, so I'm just learning at the moment. Coming back. %34 battery left. 33. Let's have a look at the battery stats. Two minutes 52 until depleted battery. Should make it back before then. I'm going to the industrial estate now, so I know I'm going to be back now. There you go, there's the big trees that are right in front of me, so if I aim at that. No.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'll start recording now.
Go home.